Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look. It's a perfect sun-kissed glow makeup look, like for like the golden hour, like when you take a selfie, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look, and if you guys want to see how to achieve this makeup look, just keep on watching. And I forgot, don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not already to join the family, and also press that like button if you end up liking this video, and also press that bell button to notify you when I upload new videos on my channel. But let's just get on with the makeup look. I suck at intros, I'm sorry. So I look like a zombie right now because I haven't slept in like so long. Like I haven't gotten like good sleep. But anyways, I have my eyebrows already done, so I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face with the Marbodescu facial spray, the cucumber one. Okay, so now we're going to go in with foundation, and the foundation I'm going to be using today is the NARS Radiant Foundation. So the reason why I'm using this foundation is because I'm going for like that more sun-kissed glowy finish look, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm just going for like a really glowy look. So this is what this foundation does. Makes your skin look really glowy and like natural and all that stuff. So I'm just going to be dotting this all over my face. And then I'm going to be using the Morphe Beauty Sponge. And honestly, I just recently got this sponge the other day. I feel like the sponge is way better than the Beauty Sponge. I don't know, I just like it a lot. It's really good. Honestly, my eyebrows look so gross right now because I haven't got them done in so long. I need to go get them done. Okay, so now that we have the foundation down, we're going to go in with concealer. And you guys already know I'm going with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Honestly, I need to get new concealer. Like, I need to stop using this one, but it's so good, so. So I just need a lot of concealer under my eyes. You guys already know we could. So I don't look like a zombie out here, you know? And the other reason why I like this sponge is because it has like this end, like a square end, and it's like really good to get underneath the eyes. So. And for baking as well. Now we're gonna bake underneath our eyes before it creases, so I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the flat edge of the sponge to bake underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to conceal my eyelids as well. So I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer on my eyes and then blend it out with the Morphe sponge. I'm going to be using the Morphe M438 brush to set my eyes. So now I'm going to set my face with the translucent powder as well. I'm going to be using the Morphe E41 brush. It's like a really big fluffy brush. But for this, since I really want my skin to still look a little bit glowy and radiant, I'm just going to set it a little bit, not too much, so it doesn't look like too matte. And now we're gonna bronze our face, which I love bronzing my face so much. So I'm gonna be using the Butter Bronzer, but the shade I'm gonna be using, because I know they have like multiple shades now, but the shade I'm gonna be using is the, oh, I couldn't even read, the SUNKISSED bronzer. I really like this bronzer because it's like not like a really like brown, or like a really brown bronzer. It's more like a peachy bronzer, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's really nice. And the brush that I like using to apply my bronzer is the Morphe M530 brush, because it's like a really small brush. I don't know if you guys could tell, you see how it's not like a really brown bronzer? It's really nice. I really like it. I don't know, I really recommend this bronzer. If you guys haven't tried it, like, you guys should definitely try this bronzer out. So now we're just gonna wipe off the baking underneath our eyes. So now for a highlight, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amazing highlighter, because this one is more like a subtle highlighter. Like, I mean, you can make it really intense, but you can also make it subtle. But yeah, I'm going to be using my highlighting brush. The one I use is the Morphe M510 brush, and like, it just makes you look glowy and nice. And this is where we just apply it all over our face, okay? But you just want to apply it at the high points of your face, so when you take that selfie, you're lip balm, you know? And the tip of my nose, honestly, the part where I love to highlight the most is the tip of my nose. Like, it's just so cute. I'm just like, honestly, sometimes I use a different brush, like a smaller brush, to make my nose a little bit more snatched. But when I'm too lazy, I just like, it's whatever, like, just go in. And then I am gonna apply a little bit on top of my eyebrows, just so my skin just looks nice and like glowy. But just a little bit, not too much. You don't want to like overdo it, you know? And yeah, that's pretty much it for that part, for like the face part. Now moving on to the eyes. Now for the eyes, I want like a more subtle look. So the palette I'm going to be using is the Morphe Dare to Create 398 palette. Sorry, like, it's really dirty. I'm going to be using the shade Canvas, this one right here, and Define Me, both of these shades. And just basically applying that all over my eyelid and my crease. So I'm going to be taking both of those shades and just like applying it all over my eyelid, basically. So now I am going to be applying like a little bit like gold, like shimmer, like in the center of my eyelid. Not too much, just something really settled. So the one I'm going to be applying is a highlighter. Actually, I'm going to be applying the Fenty Trophy Wipe highlighter on my eyelid. So I'm going to apply it very little bit because it's a really gold highlighter. So I'm just going to be applying some like in the center of my eyelid. just to give it like a little pop, just like a little bit. But yeah, and I'm not gonna apply no eyeshadow underneath my lash line. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So yeah, so now onto the lashes. I don't know if I want wispy or full lashes, honestly. Let's just go with full, like let's just do full lashes. So the lashes, so I decided to go with more full lashes. So the lashes I'm going to be using today are from Lash Dream. They're these ones. I don't know if you guys can really tell. Yeah, you guys can't really tell. But the packaging is so cute. Like, I love the packaging. I'm going to be using these ones, and the lashes are Alpha. Like, the name of the lashes are Alpha. Okay, so now I just went ahead and applied mascara and lashes off camera, and this is how the lashes look like. Oh my god, I'm in love with these lashes because they're like really like full and like soft and flirty and like, I don't know, they're so cute. I like them. So now for the lips, to tie this whole look together, I'm gonna be applying Lolita 2. Is this 2? Yeah, Lolita 2 from Kat Von D. And I'm also going to be applying the Fenty lip gloss. This one. I haven't used this one in a while. So how I'm going to be applying my lipstick is I'm going to be like tapping it like on my lips to give me like a rosy lip color, if that makes sense. Because my natural lip color is like brown and I don't really like it. So I'm just going to be tapping some on. Like that, and then just blend it out with my finger. So now I'm going to be applying the Fenty lip gloss. I'm just going to go full on. But yeah guys, this is the finished look, and if you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, you guys should subscribe down below to join the family, and also press that little bell button to notify you when I upload new videos on my channel. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.